Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, if y equals 8x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 7x minus 1, find the 2y over ds2. Now these are the options. So how do we solve this question? Let us go. Now y equals 8x cubed minus 3x squared plus 7x minus 1. All right, now we are asked to differentiate this, okay, twice. So we are going to be looking for the y dx first and then look for the 2y over dx2. All right, so from here it's going to be dy dx, okay, and this is equal to, now this is 8, right? Now highest power of x is 3, so you bring it down. Is that clear? So you write x cubed again, and then you subtract 1. Is that clear? All right. So this minus 3, highest power of x is 2, so you bring down 2. Okay. So you write x squared again, and then you subtract 1. Am I communicating? Plus 7. Okay. Highest power of x is 1, so you bring it down. So you write x raised to the power of 1, and then you subtract 1. Now, what is left here is what is minus 1. Now, minus 1 is a constant. So if you differentiate a constant, you're going to get 0. So you let go of this because a constant, and then it's going to give us 0 if we differentiate it. Okay? So we are having dy dx now is equal to 8 times 3 is 24. Okay? This is x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Are you following now? Minus 3 times 2 is 6. This x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. X. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is that clear? So we are having dy dx now, okay, is equal to 24x raised to the power of 2 minus what? 6x, okay, plus, now remember that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 7 is 7. Is that clear? Good. Now let us differentiate for the second time. All right, so it's going to be this is equal to this 24. Okay, highest power of x here is 2, so you bring it down. So you write x squared and then you subtract 1. Is that clear? Minus 6. Highest power of x here is 1. Okay, write this 1 and then you subtract 1. Now 7 here is a constant, so if you differentiate the constant, you'll be getting 0. All right, so this gives us 24 times 2 is 48 x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 6 times 1 is 6. There is x. 1 minus 1 is 0. Am I communicating? So at the end of the day, we'll be having 48x minus, now remember that what anything is to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 6 is 6. Are you following now? So which of these is the right option? Option A is the right one. All right, so thank you and bye bye.